Hi, Mike Fibus here on the show floor at the Connect2Health conference. I'm in the Care Innovations booth with Enrique Estrada. Enrique, thanks for joining me.
Yeah, absolutely. Thanks for having us.
Yeah, so in the event today, they talked a lot about basically that when it comes to remote patient monitoring, one size does not fit all.
Yep.
And to keep the metaphor going, it seems like you've introduced a new size.
Yeah, we've really focused as far as remote patient monitoring, understanding our patient population and looking at that from what type of engagement works best for our patients. We look at it from both high acuity to low acuity, and we've been able to really focus on matching up the patients with the right form factors. So anything from a tablet to a passive sensor to even a lower acuity model, maybe like using a voice assist capability to engage our patients.
So with this now, you've got, in addition to the specific devices, depending on what you're tracking, you've got the health hub, the home health hub, and a tablet.
That's right. Yeah, so the tablet itself, so we're basically powered here by our platform, and we integrate with iHap, the Intel Health application platform. And the nice thing about this is that it allows us to actually take this and deploy our application on our own form factor here with this tablet here. But we can also, if we have patients that require maybe a more passive type of model, we can get rid of the tablet and continue with the peripherals, and then just use iHap itself as a notification, push notification to the patients, and use that more as a sensory capability to collect vitals and push that back up to the cloud.
Okay, so that's pretty cool though that you can, with the same patient, swap the tablet in and out as needed, yes?
Yeah, it is, and we have patients that, if you think about the acuity scale and patients that are moving left and right of that acuity scale from being high acute to low acute, things may change. They may require maybe less intensive monitoring. They may move away from a session that they're doing every day to just being able to capture their vitals and being notified. It's time to capture your vitals. It's time to take your blood pressure. It's time to take your pulse ox. It's time to capture your weight. So this capability and leveraging like the fabric of Intel, partnering up with Care Innovations, really allows us to do that.
Right, and of course the hub is for the simple, take your blood pressure, step on the scale.
Exactly.
And what's the experience like then on the tablet when it's more engaged?
Yeah, so good question. So every application, or I should say every tablet that gets shipped to the home with our Health Harmony application is very much specific and tailored to that patient and their needs. So they go through their daily sessions, they're asked a series of questions. The questions change based off how they responded to a previous survey. And then from there, we collect that data and we push it to our clinical dashboard where it's being triaged.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. And the step up and step down, I haven't seen that anywhere.
Yeah. Well, if you think about our lineage, this is 20 years in the making. We started off as part of Intel's digital health. There was an ethnographic study that started with that. We collected about 10,000 hours of understanding patients' conditions, how they engage with technology. And what we really understood is that patients will eventually, hopefully, maybe move to a different level of need. And so when that happens, we need to be able to scale up or scale down based off those needs. We also know that there's going to be patients that are going to actually be managing chronic diseases for a very, very long time. So we have high-touch solutions, low-touch solutions. We have the ability to, with the platform, bring in partners that can help manage that as well. We partnered up with MySugar from Roche. That really allows us to move a patient that's been on the high acuity scale and then push down to self-management through diabetes through our Roche partnership with MySugar.
Pretty cool.
Yeah.
Enrique, thanks so much for sharing this with me.
Thank you.
I appreciate it.
Yeah.
And thank you for joining us.